And a heads up ahead of the holiday weekend. Starting Friday, you will not be able to enjoy any of the 12 islands on Candlewood Lake. Officials say they need to shut them down because of overcrowding, public health concerns, and safety issues. NBC Connecticut's Melissa Cooney joining us live from the lake with more on what you need to know before you go. Melissa.
Yeah, any of the boats you see behind me or any other boat that wants to use the lake won't be able to enjoy those islands. That's because officials say they've been misused. If you ask Candlewood Lake boaters what you see when you check out one of the islands,
beer bottles. You know, it's party time.
This summer especially, lake users tell us they've seen an uptick of the use of the islands, dropping trash, partying, and in some cases, leaving behind waste.
There's a place called Sand Island. That's disgusting. Everybody stops there to do their bathroom needs. And they just leave it there.
It's so easy just to grab a paper bag or a bag, plastic bag, and put your cans in it and this and that.
And there's not just trash and waste on the island. Officials with the Candlewood Lake Authority say overcrowding is a concern too.
Some people are actually making Uber ferries where they're taking people and just, you know, lots of people on one boat going to one of the islands and just adding to the extra activity on the islands. And that can also be unsafe. New Milford Mayor Pete Bass says starting this weekend, local and state law enforcement will be making sure the islands aren't used. But he says even though the islands are off limits, everyone can use the rest of the lake as usual. We just want to make sure that everyone can enjoy it, but do it in really an environmentally sound manner. Lake lovers say the closures ahead of a big holiday weekend are unfortunate, but serve as a lesson for those who take advantage of Mother Nature.
Respect it. You know, it's just a little bit of effort.
What are you doing, leaving all the garbage behind? It's our lake, you got to take care of it.
And officials say those islands will be closed starting Friday, and that will be for the rest of the summer. From that point on, they say they'll be regrouping to figure out what to do about next summer. Live in New Milford, Melissa Cooney, NBC Connecticut News.